It was a typical night at the movie theater in Singapore, until suddenly, a man in the audience suffered a heart attack. Panic set in as the audience watched the man struggle for his life. Doctors and assistants rushed to the scene, desperately trying to save him. And then, a miracle happened. The two medical professionals quickly sprang into action, slapping the man's inner elbow. Within just 2 minutes, the man had recovered. This amazing technique is captured in this video and serves as a critical lesson in emergency situations. Heart attacks can strike suddenly and leave people feeling helpless. Many people die on their way to the hospital, but you can help save a life. By slapping the inner elbow of the left hand, you can stimulate the 3 acupressure points around the heart and lungs. This helps to accelerate blood circulation, make a person feel warm, and stop sweating. This simple technique can increase body